So it looks like we have time aligned, successfully time aligned the subs and mains to the orchestra center mic. Let's check this out. Let's do a prediction. But before we do that, we need to distribute that 3 millisecond delay time that's for my loudspeakers, not necessarily for yours. Yours are different across the whole processor. So it's easier to go over here to the processor settings so it doesn't re-predict all the time. And we'll put in 3 milliseconds. And if I tab over, what is it, 3 tabs? There we go. Oop, I went too far, didn't I? 3, remember, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we're putting them on all our drive ons, even the ones that technically are disabled right now. There we go. And we want to check everything else out. So let's open it all up. I'm even open up these. Technically, these ones right here are not being used right now. But 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, they are the right array. And that's the left array at the moment. And we've got our subs. And now the good part happens. Let's go to model view and deselect things and do a prediction. Sit back, make some popcorn, little butter on that popcorn, a little bit of... So yes, we have time aligned very successfully to the center of the venue. You can see that it's quite hot in the middle, especially up high in the balcony, and it's quite dead up on these in these holes in the balcony. Assuming the interaction of the venue itself doesn't change this so much, we're going to have quite a variance where this is near 100 dB in the center of the balcony, and this looks like it's near 80 dB. So we're seeing almost a 20 dB variance here. So I would say that this time alignment isn't necessarily the best thing we want to do. It seems intuitive to want to align the center of the venue, but it's not necessarily the right thing. So we're going to try in a moment a different alignment strategy. Let's check the instructions out. You're going to want to take a screenshot of this here alignment. You're going to be turning that screenshot in, so be sure to do that. Name it MAPP4 center alignment, last name, first name. Compare it, which we just did. So compare yours, because yours is going to be slightly different results. Compare what it looks like to your earlier one. Ask yourself the same question I just had. Which one's better? I suspect, although I don't know for sure, the Melody system is going to have a similar kind of situation where the unaligned actually looks better than the aligned. Now, save your file itself with a very specific name, MAPP4 center aligned, your last name, your first name. This is the map file I'm talking about. You're going to turn in this map file exactly as it is right now, and you're going to create a new map file to complete the rest of the assignment, because you're going to turn in 2 map files and multiple screenshots. So be sure to do that right now. Save your old file as center aligned last name, first name. In a moment, we will save the new version as left aligned, your name, last name. Okay? And we'll move on with another video.